It's always a good exercise against teams of England's quality because you're up against it. We knew we had to defend as well as we did up at Derby last March. We didn't do that, especially in the first half. I thought we gave away a couple of sloppy goals. And you know England are going to create enough chances without giving them any help. Unfortunately, we did that in the first half. And then having got ourselves back into the game and probably having the best one-on-one chance of the game, didn't take that. So those two things put together, not defending as well as you can and not taking your chances, mean you get beaten.
From the first minute with the ball, I thought we were a real threat. I thought we took up terrific positions. Our pace caused problems all night. Tonight, I thought we've played as well as we've played with the ball all season. It's
been a good group in the fact that we've learned as a group. The players, the coaches, we've all found out things about each other. But what we've done is we've come together and still now found a passing philosophy that we didn't have with this group. Coming through from the 15s, 17s, 19s, that's been instilled into the group. And these lads, it's the first session really that we've had with them trying to instill that. So it has come together, it has got better. We have got a style of play. And more importantly, we're getting players through that Chris Coleman is taking into the national team. And obviously that's massive for us.